In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to respond to a user interaction, such as a user clicking on a button. And in MVVM, we use the iCommand interface in order to do that. So let's see this in action. The feature I want to develop in this lecture is to add a new button to the toolbar. I want to add a button to add a new to-do item. Let's extend our content page with toolbar items, and I'm going to add new toolbar item. Text will be add item. So order is primary and priority 0. Let's see how this looks like when we run our app. Okay, we have this button, and what we want is when we click on this add item, that new item appears in this list. And toolbar item has a command property to bind to an action. I'm going to call this add item command. So we need a new property in our view model for this command. I'm going to call it iCommand. Let's resolve this and call it add item command. If we take a look at iCommand interface, if we inspect the iCommand interface, you can see that it has one event, can execute changed. So this event occurs when changes occur that affect whether or not the command should execute. And also we have two methods. First one is can execute. This method defines whether the command can execute or not. And the execute command, this actually invokes our command. So command is an action we want to perform when a user clicks on a button. And in this case, we want to perform new command, and this command takes action. So we want to call add new item method. This method doesn't exist yet, so I'm going to generate this method. And simply what we want to do in this method is to add new item to our list of items. So we add new to-do item. Let's call it to-do item, and then just have count +1. So we are using string interpolation indicated with this $sign to add items count to our string. Okay, let's now run and see what happens. It works. Yay! So now the app adds a new item to the list every time we tap on the button.